Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to add a comment to any file using the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Adding comments helps you collaborate and share feedback easily within your files. Let's dive into the simple steps to do this efficiently. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the My Files section. Next, scroll through your files to find the one you want to comment on. Then, tap the three-dot menu icon located next to the file name. This will open additional options. After that, select Comment from the menu. Now, type your comment in the text box provided. Finally, tap the send icon to post your comment on the file. That's it. You've successfully added a comment to your file in the OneDrive Android app. This feature is great for teamwork and staying organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.